How to rename multiple files. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this update, I'll show you how to rename multiple files at once. Imagine having 50, 100, 200, or even 1,000 files to rename one by one. That's a lot of work. So in this video, I'll guide you through renaming them all in one go. Let's get started, folks. First step, select all the photos. Use your mouse cursor, press and hold the left button to select the files. Leo, I can't select 1,000 files at once like that. No worries, folks. You can press the Control key on your keyboard. Press Control and then press A. This will select everything at once. If you prefer not to use the mouse, use the Control-A shortcut to select all files at once. Now let's get started, everyone. Everything's blue, all selected. Press the F2 key on your keyboard. Rename the first file. I'll use tour as an example. See how I only renamed the first one? Now press Enter on your keyboard. Hit Enter to automatically rename the other files. It'll create a sequence. See that? Look, tour 1, 2, 3, 4. Each photo will have its own name. Tour 3, tour 4. You can do this with 5, 10, 50, or 100 files at once. It's quick and easy, folks. Hope this helped. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.